Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to crochet this beautiful bedspread motif. This is really cool and nice and cozy pattern. I'm using this yarn Aliza Diva. The color is 261. I'm using this 2.5 millimeter hook. And you have to use this stitch marker if you are a beginner. This tutorial is so easy because I describe every round step by step, and if you are a beginner you can crochet this pattern with me. No worry, I will answer any question in comments below. Okay, let's start this motif. For start this motif, we have to make a slip knot like this. Now 9 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, then slip a stitch into very first chain here, and we got a ring right now like this. Round 1, chain 1 just for a start. 18 single crochet into this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Now a slip a stitch, top of very first single crochet here, round 1, finish. Now we can cut this. Eighteen single crochet into this ring. Now round 2, 3 chain count as first. Double crochet 1, 2, 3 and 4 double crochet into same place to make a popcorn. So here 1, 2, 3 and 4, totally 5 double crochet here, totally 5 double crochet here. Now make a popcorn, 1, 2, 3 into 3 chain and grab this loop, make a popcorn here like this. 2 chain, 1 and 2, here skip 1 single crochet and into next make another popcorn. So I just skip one and into next a popcorn. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 2 chain, 1, 2, skip one single crochet and into next make another popcorn, skip this one and into next make another popcorn. Totally 9 popcorn, 9 2 chain space in this round. Two chain, skip this single crochet and into next, skip this one and into next make another popcorn, yarn over here, another popcorn. Two chain, I come back here. Now for close round 2, after the last 2 chain make a slip stitch top of very first popcorn here. In this round finish. In this round you have to count your popcorn 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 popcorn and 9 2 chain space here, as you see. Okay, round 3, 5 chain, count as first double crochet and 2 chain space, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now a double crochet into this 2 chain space, 2 chain, 1 2, a double crochet top of this popcorn here, insert your hook center of this popcorn and make a double crochet. Again 2 chain, 1 2, another double crochet into next 2 chain space here, exactly here, then 2 chain, 1 2, now another double crochet top of next popcorn, 2 chain, 1 2, another double crochet into next 2 chain space. Continue this round and I come back here to close this round. For close round 3, after the last 2 chain make a slip stitch top of very first 3 chain, 1 2 3, here make a slip stitch. In this round totally 18 double crochet, 18 2 chain space. round 4, chain 1 just for a start, a single crochet, top of same double crochet, 3 single crochet into this 2 chain space, 1, 2 and 3, then a single crochet, top of next double crochet exactly here, 3 single crochet into next 2 chain space, 1, 2 and 3, then another single crochet, top of next double crochet, continue this pattern, and I come back here to close this round.